In this video we're going to have a look at some options for getting video content together and to your students. One option is to create your own, and the easiest way to do that is to use screencasting technology. Camtasia is a great program for that, but there are free versions available like Screencast-O-Matic. For a really basic screencast, I could just talk over a PowerPoint like I'm doing here. But unless the PowerPoint is really detailed, it can be quite difficult to get your point across. A better approach might be to screencast yourself presenting in an online classroom, because then you're able to annotate your PowerPoint presentation. Something like this. Hi guys, here's a quick video on how to work out percentages of quantities. Okay, so let's choose an amount that we're going to find percentages of. Hopefully that's given you enough to be able to review how to find simple percentages like 10% and 5% and perhaps some of the more complicated ones. If you want to extend the idea of producing your own video content, why not think about actually filming yourself presenting a lesson? You don't need big budgets or high production values. You can just stand in front of a whiteboard and film yourself with a digital camera or a smartphone sat on a tripod. Some teachers will go in for higher production values on their videos if it's something they're going to use again and again. And here's an example of that.
What I'm thinking of immediately in my own mind is that I'm finding a smaller percentage, a percentage of. So my answer here has to be less than £84. 15% is...
A lot of teachers find that their students really like it when their own teacher presents the video. But if you haven't got time, or you just need the video really quickly, there's a huge amount out there on the internet. Here's an example from the really popular Khan Academy, who've got videos on a wide variety of topics.
And we just multiply this times 40. So let's say 40 times 0.15, 5 times 0.
If you're going to take the approach of using pre-existing video content, well, here's an idea that some teachers are finding works really successfully. Rather than sending a single link, send links to 3 videos and then ask your student to feed back to you which of the 3 videos was most helpful to their learning and why. This approach really moves the teaching interaction further up the SAMR scale of technology integration. So there's lots of ways to get just the right video content together, created or selected, and to your student. Have fun.